This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone. Hope people enjoyed the bears or bulls. The bulls was giving a very good opportunity today for even the market after the market opened today to enter the market and make good money. The only problem is that surrounding us, surrounding everything is negative, but you have to trade bullish. So bears inside, but bullish outside. This is what happening in the market now. So you have to go through this stress. There's no doubt about that. So let us see whether the current rally is what trend reversal or retracement rally. So with data points we will see and come to the conclusion. So these are the reasons. What we saw 5 reasons which is pulling down the markets and 5 reasons pushing the markets. Today the main thing could be the FAs. FAs yesterday they bought some long positions in the futures, and they are the one driving the market, and also short covering the influence. These two things are driving the market today mostly. So we'll see a disclaimer before going into the video. The views what are mentioned here is a personal opinion, and any loss incurred by taking the trades based on my views, I'm not responsible. Please consult a financial advisor before taking any trades. So first we will see the FA data. FA data is there is no change much. Just 470 contracts is scored up. There is 44,000 long positions are there, and then the overall view is completely for the FAs. It's bullish only, and for the clients, so they are bullish on the futures. And here the short exam call options and the short exam put options also considerably they have cut down the put options, actually put options here, and now they are almost like having 23,000 contracts only from 1,70,000 put option shorts. So it looks now they are doing very good job actually, clients. And then proprietary traders, if you see, they are having a higher, very high put option shorts, and then slightly exactly opposite to clients what they have actually. And here the proprietary traders overall they have a very few here overall here, but however they are having a big put position shorts. It is hedge position they have actually. We don't know like what kind of strike price now at the money or out of the money put option, we don't know. So we will not be able to tell whether they are super bullish or slight bullish. So this is the thing. And even the PCA, that the long short ratio also is almost like now 67% now. So not so much high levels, only reach 70-75%, they'll do some reversal actually. As of now we get a still more upside, little upside FAs are expecting possibly. And then next coming to the cash market, if you see FAs, they what they have done is they have sold last 5 days continuously. You can see they are selling in the cash market actually. Overall though they sold almost like, okay, today's information is not available, it is still 26 only, maybe like they'll update slightly later. So as of now possibly they are selling today also possibly. And coming to the open interest, if you see here, in the case of Bank Nifty, highest open interest is around 33,000 call option, 12.4 lakhs. So this expiry, we don't expect the price to move. The expiry about 33,000. So call option stands highest. Yesterday we saw put option. If you see here yesterday, you can see the put option was the highest open interest. You see here, this one 31,000 put option. Okay, 139. Then 30,000 call option was 181, and it has just lost 40 points here actually. People who have been selling, they lost only 40 points. But 30,000 next, if you see 31,500, 30,000 put, 1:3. The 3 put option was sold and 1 call option. There's the ratio if you see here. And today, now if you see here, 33,000 call option and then 32,000 put option. Okay, strangle. Now they're getting into strangle. 32,000 put option, 33,000 call option. That's what it looks like now. And 32,500 put option also is coming on the upside actually. So you have 2:1 ratio. Things are happening in the Bank Nifty. And in case of Nifty, if you see, significantly, if you see, there is no much this in call option. 14,500 call option is having highest open interest here around 23 lakhs, and then 14,600 call option also is there. So Nifty looks slightly weak actually compared to Bank Nifty. So Nifty not much of momentum expected. Possibly if the market gaps up also, then possibly they can pull down in the second half of the day and close flat. So not expecting great bullish momentum in the Nifty, but Bank Nifty is looking very, very bullish. And coming to the highest open interest, whatever is the 30,000 still is the highest open interest. Now 33,000 is the next open. 33,000 is the next highest open interest. So 32,500 is trying to emerge. No, yesterday compared to yesterday, what is the open interest? If you see here, 32,500, 32,500. If you see here, almost 4 lakhs was the put open interest. Okay, today if you see here 32,500, almost 8 lakhs. Okay, it has gone up so much. So 32,500 is a very good support. So now that the expiry option that is expecting is 32,500, 30,000 between this level. So either we have to touch 30,000 or close 32,500. So these two levels are very important for the people to enter the option bank trades. So possibly 32,500 may not break. Looks like there is a very high support is there. But any news comes, then we have to see 32,500 put traders how they behave. In case they come out from the short positions, then market can go to 32,000 levels. There's strong negative news. Otherwise, we can close between 32,500 and 30,000 level. That's what it looks like. But in case of Nifty, 14,500 is the highest open interest now. So this looks a little fishy. So possible that we can expect around 14,500 to 4,600 level. So looks like actually as of now. But heavy option trading, call option trading, seen 15,000 call option. So the expiry levels you can expect around 14,500 to 4,600 levels for Nifty as of now. And coming to open interest change, okay, I need to update here. So 1.8 crores of call option bullish position are there in case of Nifty, and in case of Bank Nifty, almost 33 lakhs of bullish positions there. PCR also has gone to 1.4, 1.27. For a long time, we could not see anything like a PCR above 1 for 4 days continuously. So this is the inbuilt bullishness in the market. So whatever be the case, the reason for the market moving on upside, we have to be on the bullish side only. That's the only thing you have to do it. There is no way that you can fight the market and asking why the market is going up when in spite of so much problems are out in the market, in the economy and all. But this is a reality, and we have to go with the market and what it's telling. And overall also all expiry put together almost 3.3 crores of bullish position you can see in the Nifty, and in case of Bank Nifty 36 lakhs, which is almost like case of Nifty almost highest in the last 1 month actually. Let us take the March also and see what is the position, Nifty overall position. The highest open interest, if you see, let us see here, 3.26. Okay, today's the bullish position highest in the last 2 months actually. So it is better cautious on in case of Nifty to be on the long side, because 3.3 crores of bullish position, bullish position we can see. This is the place we can see the reversal. If you take the 3 months together, 3 months of this thing also, second bullish position highest we saw on 4th February, the highest actually. So 3.56. So almost we can tell we are almost near the 3 months high bullish position. So it is better to be on the safe side to book some profits on the long positions. And in case of Bank Nifty, if you see Bank Nifty also like a highest bullish position was seen on 4th February. After that 27th April here next 36 lakhs. So 96 lakhs was the highest bullish position on 4th February. Possible that still more upside we can see in the Bank Nifty, but Nifty we are seeing some saturation actually. So plan accordingly. And don't take risk with long positions in the Nifty particularly based on this open interest data. You have to just keep a note on more bullish position cannot be added, expecting that some profit booking can be seen in Nifty particularly. And the PCR, coming to PCR, we saw continuously 4 days of bullish moves in the Nifty and Bank Nifty, and support is keep on increasing for Bank Nifty more fast than Nifty. You can see around 14.5 level the support is there for Nifty, but in case of Bank Nifty the support is raised almost like 1,500 points from 31,100 levels to 32,500, 600 levels. So Bank Nifty is very strong, and that chart also is showing the same thing. You can see that Bank Nifty to Nifty ratio, it went all the way to 2.15 and is gone all the way to 2.25. Once we cross 2.25 and close like around 2.25 here roughly, decimal is not showing here, only 2 decimals there. If you close about 2.25, 2.26, even 2.26 we close, then we can see very good momentum on the upside for the Bank Nifty. And coming to the straddle, lower straddle, if you see here, we saw like almost okay, there is some problem. It looks okay. I need to fix this. Let's not leave it. And let's move to the Lakshman Rekha. Lakshman Rekha also, if you see, it is bullish only, no doubt. Lakshman Rekha, we saw like 175 points bullish now in case of Nifty, and in case of Bank Nifty, 420 points, slightly bearish. It will also cross, it will break almost, we can tell April is a break-even month for Lakshman Rekha actually. And we saw some good move on the downside. Entire good moves, like we are closing near the BWP actually. It looks like they are going to close around the BWP of the beginning. So it is like a first straddle who have taken straddle, 33,000 straddle for the month end expiry for April. They would have made good money. Maybe we can see that point in actually in this chart. Let us see 29th April, 33,000. straddle, we can see 30,000 straddle. What was the case actually in the beginning? So in the month of March end, actually 1st April, it was trading at around 2,248. 2,240, now it has come to 713. So possible that we look like 2,200 points of short straddle, now close 713, and possible that we can close around less than 300, something like that, even zero also. If expiry is happening around 33,000 level, then the good pocketing of money happened for the month end straddle with less risk, because 2,248, if you have a hedge something on the downside upside, which is costing you around 50, 60, 70 rupees something only, that's a very good hedging cost, very minimal cost, but a good profit potential. And the chart was a pivot point chart also indicating that there's a good support is coming from 31,000 levels for Nifty and bank Nifty. You see for bank Nifty, you can see 31,000 was a good support here, and you took a support here and started moving above the 32,200 pivot point. Now 33,000 is the next level of resistance actually. 33,000 if it cross, then we can see some good up move till 34,000, 33,500, 34,000 also. So 33,000 is the level we have to watch for bank Nifty. And in case of Nifty, 14,650 is the level where you can see some good resistance actually. If that is crossed, then we can see 15,000 levels also possibly in Nifty. But as of now, looks very difficult with all the negative news flowing, and people might be looking for a good selling opportunity on the higher side, because we have been almost bearish for almost like 2.5 months now. Third month now, if you continuously, it cannot be so much bearish. Now some retracement rally is going on. That's the only thing. Now we are in the retracement rally. Once the retracement rally is completed, then we can see the down moves coming in the Nifty and bank Nifty. And in case of pivot points for tomorrow, if you see go short level is be around 32,916, and long breakout will be 30,091. And I need to update here. This one, don't see this. Actually, this is for the today's level actually. For tomorrow's level is not updated. And let me just update. Let me just hold on. I just update also.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, I updated the levels actually. So these are the levels for spot actually. In case of somebody is trading, tracking their spot, you can take note of the levels. So the market will be bullish above the pivot point and bearish below the pivot point. The long breakout, short breakout levels, you can have a look at it. And for the futures, this is levels. And key ratios, you can see the P ratios are almost the same level. There is no, there are two levels almost for Nifty, and for bank Nifty is 24 levels. And VIX has increased, come down slowly by 1.6%, but US bond yield has gone up by 1%. And coming to the cash market, there is a good buying scene. Actually, you can see the chart actually from here how it has rocketed above this 20 moving average and started moving up also. Now the interest in coming in the overall market also are the buying actually. So if that is the case, you can see here what are the high formed on this 8th April. Okay, almost like 20 days back. What are the levels was there? It has crossed that level. So we can see some buying interest coming again in the market, on the broader market. It's not only Nifty, bank Nifty, it is on the broader market. We can see some buying interest coming. So this is what is all about today. So we will see charts also today what happened. So today the charts, if you see, in the morning what happened. In the morning, if you see here, we saw like the go long level in spot. You can see exactly when it came down here, we got some before that itself. Before that itself, we saw the long breakout, and already the highest open interest was seen in the 32,000. Change in open interest was seen in 32,000 put option levels. So this was very good. That's the reason I mentioned in Telegram channel also. So it was available around 310-15 rupees actually. 310 rupees. Now it closed 132 rupees. So you have to just sell that and keep quiet, and the entire day that has come down to 135 rupees. I mean 175 rupees gain we could see in the 30,000 put option level actually. And now if you see here, after that we got a buy signal here, here pivot point. We crossed about the pivot point, came down for one candle, and then again started moving. Now we started about the candle. This is the first for buy bullish signal. Then second bullish signal, hammer candles. Then pivot point third signal. Then super trend fourth signal. Then Ichimoku fifth signal, then long breakout sixth signal. So we are getting the buy signals one by one. Actually, for the sixth by 11:45, we got 6 buy signals actually here, and then we started moving above the previous day high. Seventh buy signal was the previous day high, and around 145 level. So these are the step by step. You can see the buy signals we are getting. It's not that you are getting trapped, like sure shorts are getting trapped. market is giving enough opportunity for you to square up the positions, and the market is moved very slowly in the upside, and it's not a volatile market, or it is not a trap or something. Market is giving enough opportunity for the bears to exit the position. Here market at the open itself, it gave opportunity for bears to exit the position. Okay, so we cannot blame the market. It is not given opportunity. It is giving enough opportunity for you to enter the market at a very good point. Okay, it is a very good day for the trending move actually, and enough market gave enough opportunities. Like in case you want to go for 30,000 put option naked, if you want to short, then it is a very costly affair. So what was the thing was, like you have to buy 30,000 put option. There is a 2,000 points gap, but since you get support here, and you can buy 30,000 put. That's what I have done. 30,000 put option I bought, and 30,000 put option I sold. Okay, the risk is there, but the stop loss will be your go long that level, go long previous day low. This is support, and then market started moving. So this one green candle was there. Though you can see red candle here, it is a green candle actually. This is the green candle, the futures you can see, and here also the futures started moving above the VWAP. Here you can see the squeeze happening in the VWAP standard deviation. This is a 2 standard deviation VWAP, and this is a place where it started moving on the upside, and never we visited the VWAP after that. From around 9:40, after half an hour, the futures started moving only above the VWAP and keep on moving on the upside. So this is how the market it was set up. You can have a look at it, and you can use it actually for your trading purpose. And you can see, like for in case of Nifty 50 equal daily chart, if you see again Nifty is in the range bound only. If Nifty 50 equal is started crossing above 16,500, okay, 300 points above, then only some trending move can come. Otherwise it's going to be the range bound only for Nifty. We are not making any moves on either side, and even Nifty 50 equal ratio is 1.1. So we have to wait for Nifty to give any breakout on either side. Expecting some range breakout by end of this month after the expiry. Possibly in the first week of May, some breakout should come on the either side actually. So wait for the opportunity, because the bulls is after a long time is come back actually. This will try. This now tested the blood. Bulls have tested the blood. How good, nice it will be. Now they started moving on the upside. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.